Hey folks, Aaron Gibson here, Ranges, Backstops, and Berms. A question came up about lanyard adjustment on minimalist holsters, and we figured that others might benefit from the answer as well. So, how do you use the existing lanyard to not only secure the holster to the belt, but also help keep the gun stable and remain in place throughout your day? If you only rely on the knot at the end of the cord, over time gravity will begin to pull the gun further into the belt line. This results in a constant battle of readjustment, and ultimately, you might just give up on the entire concept of minimalist holsters in short order. Here's the quickest solution. First, when attaching the trigger guard or minimalist holster with a lanyard to the belt, it is recommended that you start by feeding the cord behind the belt starting from the top. This helps keep the end knot at the top of the belt line, where it will be much easier to conceal. Once you've pulled the holster through the loop made in the lanyard, it should now be attached to the belt. Now join the gun and holster and place it into the belt line where you intend to carry. Remember, always make adjustments like this using an unloaded firearm, and even then, basic firearm safety rules apply. With the gun in place where you want it to remain, pull the end knot fairly tight around the belt. You will notice that there is now slack in the line between the end knot and the belt. Now make another knot with the excess cordage as close to the belt line as you can without overdoing it. With this method, there will always be a bit of give left to allow for adjustment when moving from standing to sitting or vice versa. The good thing about this technique is as long as you use the same belt and carry in the same position, the second knot you've created should continue to work for multiple days or longer. If you have any questions or comments about the topic provided, feel free to leave them below. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you right here next time on Ranges, Backstops, and Berms.